You guys, my laundry room is a complete and utter disaster. So today, I'm gonna deep clean it. And when I say deep, we're going real deep. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deondra Marie, and on my channel you'll find lots of homemaking motivation. So let's just get into the video. Today's video, as you can see, is an extreme clean and declutter of my laundry room. It was a complete disaster. I've got bags of trash in here, old dinnerware that we don't use, boxes of stuff that we don't need, all that white stuff that is across the entire laundry room, that is flour. One of my kids got into a 25-pound bag of flour, and it got everywhere. If you are wondering if I threw it away, no, I did not. I actually duct taped it. I know it sounds crazy, but I was not about to waste 25 pounds of flour. I will go to the store and get storage containers for the flour, and that way it stays fresh. After I threw in that load, the first order of business is to contain this flour. So I just used, the end of the vacuum hose and then duct tape the bag. If you have a laundry room in your home, what does it look like right now? Is it nice and organized and pretty, decorated nicely, or is it a disaster like mine?
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
I do have some Thanksgiving content coming your way, so don't forget to subscribe and make sure that bell is turned on so you don't miss out.
Cause I wanna ride with you. Just give in to the fire, cause I'ma take you higher. You're my only desire. Yeah. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere. moving beat. I know what.
So at some point, some yellow acrylic paint got spilled on this carpet back here. I have no idea how long it had been there. It's completely dry. I did try to get it up, didn't work, so.
You know, nah, 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 nah. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight, I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight. If you come with me tonight.
Come whatever may, I'm done with guessing. I know things will.
Y'all, I need to start working out again. This deep freezer was so heavy. I was struggling to push it back to where it needed to be.
Things they fall apart. I'm walking without light, lost in the dark. I thought I had a place I could belong. My back against the wall, my back against the wall. Stay with me, 'cause I'm lost in your love. Stay with me, 'cause I have nothing left. Stay with me, stay with futures that I've drawn, I see them turn to ashes as they burn. I'm left out on my own, I can't return. I'm stepping into where, I'm stepping into where pebbles turn to stone, too heavy to make things become undone. Feel pain down to the ground by what I've done. My body's saying no, my body's saying no.
This flower did a number on my laundry room. I was like flowered out by the time I was done.
Lost in your love. Stay with me, 'cause I have nothing left. Stay with me, stay
I walk through the fire, the sound of a lion. I found my way back in the end. Baby, I've fallen for you and the way you make me feel. Don't need to pretend that I'm somebody else. With you I can't be myself. That sure is something else. Can we stay for a while until the fire's burn out? It's a shimmering night, setting is right. You got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you I fade away.
So this is a 6-tier shelving unit, and without the wheels on, it holds about 600 pounds. And then with the wheels, I believe about 350 pounds. I bought it from Sam's Club. I think it was a super good deal. And we're using it for like food storage, emergency preparedness, that kind of thing. So you'll see in a minute that I've got, some beans and some rice, some canned food, that kind of thing. So I'm just like slowly adding to it. I started buying things a few months back, and then, I'll continue every time I go to the store. I put, some money aside to add more things here. At this point, I just think it's super important. You never know how the economy and everything else is going. And so it's always better to be prepared.
Without you, I'll fade away. Oh, I never meant to start a fire. As I said, you got me falling. You will always be my reason to stay. Oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you, I'll fade away. Oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? I wanna hear you say, oh, you got me falling. Did you know that? Without you, I'll fade away.
This is just to encourage you to start your food storage. You don't have to spend a lot of money all at once. You can just, buy a few extra things here and there, and it definitely adds up.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there.
So as you can see, I'm just kind of stacking some of our shoes over here. I'm really just trying to cover up this paint because it looks ridiculous.
Tonight, I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd love to have you, and I'll see you soon in a new video. Bye.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone.